Okay, welcome back to my opinion. This little video is going to be about protection. No, not that kind of protection. This kind. When you're cleaning your firearms, this gun is unloaded. It's an old junk gun that I use for the shower. It's gets off 2 rounds and it jams. I have tested this gun. A couple rounds. I keep it in the shower. I get it out and oil it every so often. Uh, it's good for a couple rounds, which makes a perfect shower gun. Um, this way I can keep it in the shower or in other bad places with no plastic, no bag, nothing to rustle out, try to get out, etc., things like that. I keep it on the shelf in the shower and I can grab it. I don't care if it gets wet, rusty, and eventually I have to throw it away because it was a $70 used gun. It's a junk gun. It gets off 2 rounds before it jams. Um, but that's not what this is about. I am going to do some work on this gun in a video uh, later on about trying to get this gun to run better, at least get through a magazine without jamming. This, in case any of you are wondering, it's an Accutech, pretty much a junk gun, made in Chino, California. That should tell you something. But anyway, this video is not about that gun. This video is about wearing protection. Now, I'm talking about protection from things like these: your gun oils, your gun cleaning equipment, whatever it may be. These things all have horribly bad stuff in them. They have oils, they have uh, things from petroleum, etc. Over time, that's kind of stuff, when you're cleaning guns a lot, is going to absorb into your skin. Now, when you're younger, you don't think about these things. As you get older, you start thinking more and more about these little things. Not only do these latex gloves or other types of protection gloves, um, not only will they protect you from the harsh chemicals that's in these types of cleaners, lubricants, oils, greases, etc., it'll also protect you from all that carbon fouling and all of that uh, gunpowder residue, all that lead that's in your gun that is now liquidy, mushy, and we've all cleaned a gun before without any protection, and your hands are nasty, and you wash them and everything, and you have to you get a toothbrush to get it out of your fingernails, etc. That's no fun, and none of us want to do that. Okay, so this video is about wearing protection. Whenever you're cleaning your firearms, doing you don't even have to be cleaning them, but especially cleaning them. If you're just putting some parts together, doing some work on a gun, like when I'm going to work on this gun here, I'm going to wear gloves. That stuff over time, all those chemicals, that lead, that carbon, all of that will absorb into the skin. If you wouldn't rub motor oil on your hands, you shouldn't be absorbing this kind of stuff, as well as lead, especially. Okay? Wear protection. Not masks, not condoms, gloves. Thanks a lot, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and be safe.